Today's adventure is going up to Pikes Peak. I'm real excited about this. Brad is putting fuel in the car right now because there are a lot of rules to go up to Pikes Peak. One of them is you must have at least half a tank of gas. Here we go. Alright, so we are on the road, US 24, heading towards Pikes Peak.
There's a lake up in Pikes Peak. Good morning.
Your turn.
We are awesome. How are you?
Okay, doing good. Not too hot yet.
All right. We are climbing the Pikes Peak Highway and just passing 8,000 feet. And it is spectacular. The views are amazing today. The road is exceptionally windy. I like it.
And I'm white knuckling it.
The Pikes Peak Highway is almost 20 miles long. However, you cannot drive all the way to the top due to major construction up on the summit. So you can park in a parking lot at mile 7, mile 13, or mile 16, and then take a free shuttle to the summit.
We stopped at Crystal Reservoir to stretch our legs. There's the gift shop there, so we bought our stickers. It was also a nice place to get out and stretch, read some of the information that they had, and we noticed that the reservoir looked a little low.
You want to show the edge?
All right, so I guess we should be on the lookout for elk. And porcupine. And everyone's favorite, the black bear. And elephant.
This is very exciting.
Lost 10 degrees. Elevation 11,000.
Yeah, we're up there.
Look at the snow, it's right
I
there.
know it is. This has got to be one of the most exhilarating drives I've ever done.
Look at this switchback coming. They've got their dog. Snow.
We're up at the snow line. I see the snow.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, that is phenomenal. Wow.
We're still going up.
Oh my gosh. I'm just thinking about that donut at the top. So long.
This is that long trailer.
As I said before, the farthest you could drive your personal car was mile 16 and the shuttle parking lot known as the Devil's Playground. So that's what we did. We drove up to mile 16 and then hopped on the free shuttle bus to the summit. It was a continuing harrowing ride. But once we were able to reach the summit, it was all worth it. Once we finally reached the summit, it was amazing. Even though Diana had had a minor panic attack on the way up, it was still so worth it. We decided to go ahead and eat lunch up at the summit, something not everybody does. And of course, we had to get the world famous high altitude donut.
All right, this is the donut that's gonna make it all worth it.
I hear it's a pretty good donut. It's a good donut.
It's like we're at the top of the world. And there's the Cog Railway. There is the Cog Railway rails. Right up here at the top. Definitely the top. So a lot of people come up here.
Okay, oh, we're on. All right, so we made it to the summit of Pikes Peak, 14,115 feet. The air is very thin up here.
Yes, it is.
But it was worth the trip. We drove up to mile 16 and took the shuttle the rest of the way up. And looking forward to taking some pictures on the way down. That ought to be a great ride. So see you later.
Yep, thanks for coming along. Okay, we made it back down to 16 and just thought we'd pause for one last view. Taking our breath before we get back in that car.
Thank you.
Just had our brakes checked. Made sure we weren't overheated.
12. Yeah, this road used to be gravel all the way up. Back down to the tree lines.
Okay, so we bought this water bottle when we were at the top of Pikes Peak. It was not disshapened and malformed when we were at the top. Now, I have not opened up the bottle yet. I believe it is what? Pressurized or depressurized? Depressurized.
So we really enjoyed Pikes Peak and we were glad we picked the day we did. The crowds weren't too bad and the weather was absolutely beautiful. We could see for miles.